I am back to school you on some hair extensions. And I want to know, honestly, when did we start accepting that hair extensions turn pink with sunscreen? With the cost of everything these days, if I'm investing in the hair, best believe it better not turn pink or I'm going to be lights out, okay? All right, so let's talk about this because it's almost spring break and a lot of yous is going to be getting new hair, right? And the number one rule is don't get in the water, don't go swimming with your hair, don't get sunscreen on your hair. Well, I'm here to tell you with Salty Locks, those rules are not applied. That is why we named Salty Locks Salty Locks. So let's go behind the curtain a little bit. Let me expose some people and tell you why hair turns pink. Because you shouldn't accept that your hair extensions are turning pink. You're being bamboozled, okay? Okay, so let's talk. Why does hair turn pink? All right, let's start from the source. We sourced dark Indian or Asian hair, and now we have to lift it to be blonde because that's what you want to be. It's platinum blonde. So we make your black hair blonde by pouring acid and all sorts of chemicals on it. And now the hair's shot out. So now to hide the poor quality of hair, we put silicone on it. And then you add this very expensive hair to your head and you go to the beach because that's when you want long hair. Like, let's be honest, I don't want to take my extensions out before I go to the beach, right? Like, that's what I want, my beachy, salty hair. So you leave your hair in, spray a little sunscreen because the sun's scorching you, and your hair turns pink. If my hair turns pink, I'm turning pissed, okay? The reaction between the avobenzone and the sunscreen, which this is my favorite kind, and the first ingredient is avobenzone, which is a no-no. You spray that on your hair extensions and they turn pink, all right? Well, I'm not going in the sun without my avobenzone, and I'm not gonna go buy special mineral oil, and I'm not gonna put conditioner on my hair before I go out, and I'm not gonna come home and do some kind of CPR treatment to attempt to get the salmon color out of my extensions, because guess what? It ain't getting all the way out. So, why are Salty Locks different? Well, first let me show you how I'm not scared to put avobenzone sunscreen right on my Salty Locks. And this is platinum blonde, honey. Let's do a little side by side. Can you see the pink? Can you see the beautiful blonde? It's pink because it's had a reaction with the silicone and the chemicals to make it blonde. Have you ever had the brown roots turn green? That's from sweat, another chemical reaction. Again, if I had spent the money on this hair, I would not be happy, okay? This is trash. You're being bamboozled, people, okay? This is true Eastern European Slavic hair. The blonde donors stay in the blonde family, and the darker donors, that hair stays in the dark family. So guess what? We don't need the chemicals to make it blonde. We don't need the silicone to hide the poor quality of hair to make it shiny, to make it look good to you. So this is actual real Remy hair, the highest quality, the Louis Vuitton of hair is what we like to call it. Go to the beach, get on your cruises, go on your spring break, spray the sunscreen. You ain't gonna turn pink. All right, I'm done. Peace.